At Axelogics, we combine innovation, expertise, and efficiency to deliver technology solutions to real-world supply chain problems.
The first step in building a solution is learning your business. By understanding your needs and where your business is and where it's going, we get a complete picture of your business processes, and then we work with you to create clear-cut goals.
We are invested in your success, so we analyze your current business model to identify its strengths and its weaknesses. We utilize our collective experience in system configuration, technical development, and operational transformation to execute your unique solution and to give you a strategic logistical advantage.
Our experienced team of supply chain professionals works side by side with your team through every phase of your implementation project. And we continue to work with your team after the project goes live as a resource for handling any problems your system may experience in its early use.
Call Axelogics and we'll help you determine how you can get the most out of your supply chain solutions.